My name's Samantha Dean and I've almost finished my apprentice in accountancy. I'm on level 4, which is the last level at the moment. I decided to become an apprentice because I thought it'd be a lot easier to learn whilst you're also learning in a work-based environment as well. So it's like double practice really, and you put into practice what you're learning. I didn't always want to go into accountancy. Originally I did want to be a primary school teacher when I was younger, but then I started working for the family business and took over from my grandma who did the bookkeeping and accounts. So then I started getting a feel for it and decided I quite enjoyed it. So then I went into an apprentice accountancy. So I work for John Pratt and Co in Llandudno, and they've supported me in letting me have extra time in work to revise, to do any extra work that I needed, and they're giving days off before the exam sometimes if it's a bit harder. And if I've been stuck on anything, he's always, if you want to come and talk about any of it, he can help with that. So my plans for the future, now that I've finished my level 3, is to continue my level 4, which then I should hopefully finish next year, and maybe go on to my ACCA and go on from there. And yes, I would recommend an apprenticeship to friends and colleagues because I think it really does help to be in a place of work whilst you're learning and having the extra support than you would if you were just doing it on your own. I think it feels nice to have won this award, to be recognised for my hard work, and it shows that the hard work does pay off.